Okay, we're gonna look at part 2 of some tools you need for arcade repair. And so I have some things laying here. These are kind of things that are nice to have. Let's start off with a set of little mini screwdrivers. A little screwdriver set. These are really just a few dollars. People call them a jeweler's screwdriver set. Magnifying glass is really nice to have, especially as you get older. Just some other tools for like looking in the back of a machine. You have a mirror so that you can look at different things. This extends out. If you drop something in the back of a machine, it's nice having this to get like a screw that you drop. Here's a capacitor meter to check capacitors. On top of that, I have 2 ESR meters. I've got the blue one. This is a kit you put together, or the peak purple one. So this way you can check capacitors even without removing them. So you can check them in circuit to see if your capacitor is bad. Must have. The blue one's cheaper than the purple one, but they both have advantages, disadvantages. So ESR meter, you don't need 2 of them. Just buy one or the other. We have here is a my digital Weller solder station. Set it for about $6.50, $6.75. It's got a nice little solder tip on it, and to keep the tip clean, I don't use a sponge. I use this, and basically what you want to do is a stabbing motion in here to clean your tip. I have another video on YouTube about this already, the soldering station. And of course, just a small cordless screwdriver is great. I didn't show this in the other video, but little clippers for cutting wires and for cutting the ends off of capacitors after you replace it. A set of security bits. A lot of arcade machines have weird screws, so it's nice to have all the weird sizes to get into your machine. To discharge my monitor, I use a high voltage probe. I mean, you can use a screwdriver and 2 alligator clips like this, but I actually have a probe. It has a clip. I have a video of using this. I haven't put it online yet, but this is how I discharge all my monitors. It works amazing. Then it's nice to have some parts. It's good to have some resistors around. You should definitely have some 10 ohm resistors on hand. For Atari boards, on the AR2 boards, this is the resistors that burn up all the time. I got some adjusting tools here. Also, you need a lot of capacitors, so here's how I organize my capacitors. I just have them in here by value, not by voltage. And container of fuses. Most of these I've got from my pinball machines, but I've got a bunch of different fuses. Cleaning supplies, magic erasers, simple green is good stuff to have. Oh, my degaussing coil. It's pretty nice to have. This one's pretty big, but you know, you can use this on 19-inch monitors. Works great. It's another really nice thing to have. And also, I showed this in another video. Instead of brushes, I use these little fiber pins for doing all my cleaning. They clean circuit boards really good, and I have a link on the blog to where to buy these on Amazon. We already had crimpers. So those are just a few other things that's nice to have. Sharpie markers, supplies. Got like boxes of some supplies, which you'll just build up over the years. Those are just a few of the things that you might need in your arcade toolbox.